In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move conversations to different channels on Slack Complete 2026 Guide. If your Slack sidebar is getting crowded, moving conversations is a simple way to keep things tidy and find what you need faster. In this walkthrough, we'll organize a direct message by moving it to a different place in your sidebar, and, if needed, create a brand new section to keep related chats together. This doesn't change the content of the conversation or notify anyone. It just updates where it lives in your own view. Start by opening the direct message you want to organize. You can find it in your sidebar, or use the search bar at the top to jump straight to it. Once you're in the DM, look to the top right of the conversation window for the three-dot More Actions menu. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand it slightly or hover near the header to see the icon. Clicking that menu reveals options tailored to this conversation. Next, hover over Move Conversation. This tells Slack you want to change where this DM appears in your sidebar. When you do, you'll see a list of your existing sections. Sections are those collapsible headers in the sidebar, things like starred, later, or any custom sections you've already created. Choosing a section here won't change who's in the conversation, and it won't alter the message history. It simply files the chat where you want it for quicker access. Now, select where you want to move the conversation. Click the section that best matches how you work. Maybe a section for priority items, a team-specific group, or a category for ongoing projects. You'll see the DM shift immediately to that section in your sidebar, and you can drag it around later if you want a different order. If you change your mind, just repeat the same steps and move it again. If none of your current sections fit, choose Create New Section. Give your section a clear, short name so you'll recognize it at a glance. After you create it, Slack will place the new section in your sidebar, and the conversation will be moved there. You can rename or reorder sections anytime, keeping your workspace aligned with the way you think and work. That's all there is to it. Open the DM, use the three-dot menu, select Move Conversation, and either pick an existing section or create a new one. With just a few clicks, you'll reduce clutter, speed up navigation, and keep your most important conversations exactly where you expect them.